In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link books in Author Central on KDP, a vital tool for all aspiring authors using Kindle Direct Publishing. This process may seem a little daunting if you're new to it, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly as you build your author presence on Amazon. Firstly, we'll begin by navigating to the Books tab within Author Central. This is essentially your command center for managing the titles associated with your author profile. The Books tab is pivotal because it lets you oversee your entire catalog, helping readers discover all of your works in one place. Once you've logged into Author Central, look for the Books section in the interface and give it a click. This will take you to a page where you can start to manage your library. Next, it's time to search for your titles. Easy for some, but it requires a precise approach. You'll need to enter the name of the book or series you're linking into the search bar provided. If you have a common title, make sure the author name you're browsing matches yours to avoid confusion with other books that may share similar names. This search feature is crucial for ensuring you only link books that truly belong to you, giving prospective readers clear and accurate information about your body of work. Once you've found your book in the search results, you'll see an option to add this book to my profile. Click on that. This step is important because it seamlessly integrates your book onto your author page, showing customers that this book is part of your repertoire. Having your books linked correctly not only enhances your professional profile, but also maximizes visibility, making it easier for potential readers to explore all your works. After clicking to add the book, you'll need to confirm this action and save your changes. Often, this step includes a quick review where you double-check the titles and their information to ensure everything is correct before finalizing the process. It's like a final once-over to verify that all the details you've entered are accurate, representing your hard work faithfully. Once you've confirmed, save these changes, and you're all set. Through these steps, you've successfully linked your books in Author Central, turning your profile into a comprehensive showcase of your published works. It's a straightforward but powerful way to boost your presence on Amazon, presenting a polished, professional image to your readership. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on making the most of your KDP journey.